Hey guys, Alvin here. In this training video, we're going to discuss how you can drive traffic so that you can get signups from directly on Facebook. Now, there are several ways to do it, but I'm just going to discuss the most effective methods to get a sign up or an opt-in form for Facebook. All right. Now, um, there's two ways, as I mentioned before. You can set. Let's just go back to Facebook ads. Okay, and we're just gonna create an ad here and I'll show you the difference. So alright, let's create send people to your website. And for our sign up form, I have already set up an opt-in page through one links. Alright, so if you don't have one link, you can either send traffic to your website that has the opt-in form. Now let me show you what an opt-in form would or a good opt-in form should consist of. Now, video is always going to be your king. Do not put so much text in the page that it appears that they have to read an entire paragraph just to understand what the page is all about. Make it simple. Keep it simple and short. All right. So just a headline, maybe some screenshots here and there, and a video. It can either be just a headline, video, and then the rest of the details for that opt-in. Now, when you create an opt-in form, always make sure that you focus on the benefit of signing up. All right. Now, for this one, for example, as you can see, if they sign up, they will get a free plugin. They will get WP Media Remix, for example. Alright, so once they click this, it goes directly to an opt-in, and this goes to our email list. Now, first way is you can just grab the link of your page, just like that, and then you can drive traffic to that page via clicks to website on Facebook. Alright, now if you're gonna be doing this via clicks to website, it is gonna be a lot more expensive compared to just running traffic within Facebook. Alright, so if you are not sure about your demographic or your target market yet, it might as well have a daily budget of just $5 to $10. This way you can easily scale it up if it's good, or if you can just easily deactivate it or retune your ads if it is not doing well. Now, for newsfeed ads, that is best for opt-ins. Right hand side ads is not that much. It's a lot cheaper, but your click-through rate is gonna suffer. All right, so yeah, for your optimized for here, you have different. There are now different ways. You have clicks to website. You have clicks. You have daily unique reach and impressions. Um, I would if you're gonna be offering, since you're gonna be offering something for free, impressions is a good way to get a lot of traffic or get a lot of opt-ins at a more affordable rate. Okay, so impressions, I would recommend that. So $5 to $10 a day would be your set budget. Now, as I said before, running traffic to an external website is a lot more expensive. What you can do, however, is integrate your opt-in form directly on your fan page, as seen here. Now, as you can see, we have our key consultancy fan page here. We have timeline, about, and then claim free plugin on our tab. We can just click this tab and we will see if our opt-in is here. As you can see, our opt-in is here. It has been optimized to fit Facebook. We can just copy the link of that tab. All right, and we can run traffic to this one. So we're just gonna start over. All right, and paste this here. All right, so again, I would recommend that you use newsfeed ads for your ad traffic, because right hand side is only best for likes, but it will not get you a lot of signups. All right, You can also do split testing. That means that you're going to be running desktop newsfeed and then do another for mobile newsfeed. Right? Let me just show you key consultancy, and again, and also make sure that you have a very good image to show on your ads, and your headline should be something that it should be very engaging. For example, do not use something like just key consultancy or just the name of your page. All right. So, for example, your headline can be let me think it over. As much as possible, your headline should be a question. So that this will be a lot more engaging to your customers. For example, need help with earning online, or it doesn't have to be a full sentence. You can just make it short. For example, help with the earning online question mark. Sign up now, and before our text, sign up now and get this free WordPress plugin. Alright, and for our call to action, it doesn't have to be anything here. You can just put it, since it's free, you can just click on learn more. Do not use any like shop now, download, or anything else. Learn more or download is good, but don't use anything else so that might indicate that they have to buy whatever you are trying to sell. Alright, so again, when you get for signups, always make sure you offer something in exchange. There's a lot of like PLR uh, or uh, or any plugin that you can provide for free. Anything you can ebooks could be anything, as long as they're interested on the product, and then you can use it as a price for signing up. Alright, so let's discuss the third way, or another way you can run your ads cheaply. Alright, so you can just copy the link of your fan page here. Alright, and you can just go back to your fan page and post the link there. Now, once the post has been added, you can put something like, "Are you in need? Do you need or what are, for example, need help earning? Need need help boosting need help boosting your online income? Claim this free WordPress plugin today." And let's emphasize the free and capitalize WordPress. And of course, we can, since then you can just post this one. Alright, you can just schedule, backdate, or save as draft, but you can just, for example, we're just gonna post this one. Alright, since I don't have any tab, any tab icon here, it shows up like this, but you can set this up to appear a lot more professional. And once you have posted this, right, so just as mentioned before, once you have posted your tab or your link here, you can just do a boosted post. Alright, now the budget for the for the boosted post, you can actually select your audience here. Alright, and what you can do is, a very useful tool that you can do for this is that, since for the boosted post you have to use it's best to use like an audience that you create. So what you can do is use Facebook's audience insights, because this lets you create an audience for your boosted post. Now, as you can see from here, If you click on create audience, you can also create a quick audience here, but this won't be as targeted compared to creating it on audience insights for Facebook. Let's just gonna do a quick, for example, tutorial here for creating a quick audience. For example, consultancy boosted post US, and we're gonna change the to. Alright, so if you're gonna be targeting marketers, as much as possible, target 21 years and above. This way, you get a lot of legitimate or like active affiliates out there. That's just the ones who are just testing the waters. So if you're talking about marketers, you can just target JVZoo or ClickBank, for example, ShareSale, and all those affiliate networks out there. Aweber. Alright, it's as much as possible you can just target anything that is related, but do not be too broad in a way that you're just targeting just about everyone and not just the market you're aftering. Because if you target, let's say, Bing ads and Google Analytics, it's not just the affiliates or the online marketers you're targeting. You're also going to be targeting other people like website owners, for example. So once you're happy with the interest, just click on save, and that's it. As you can see, this section here will change as well, and we can have a daily budget of $20, or we can change this to $5, for example, and boost this for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, for example. All right. So click on boost post, and that's it. Since you once they click on this ad, on your ad here, it will redirect them directly on the fan page, and this is completely within Facebook's rules or TOS, so no need to worry about getting your ads banned or anything else. Again, you're just redirecting or sending them to a fan page where they can sign up. All right. Now, a good figure if you're going to be running ads, each sign up should not cost more than $1. So if you spent $5 on your ads, you should get at least 5 emails there. If you're getting less than that, then I would recommend that you cut the ad and then retarget or whatever or refine your audience for your ads.